5 life lessons I wish I knew in my 30s. Hi champions, I'm Dr. Meghna Dikshit, author of You Matter. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the limitless potential of your mind and your brain. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the tools and insights you need to thrive. For my committed subscribers, welcome back. Your journey to mastering your mind and living your best life continues here. And if you're ready to unleash your brain's potential, type dive in the chat box right now and let's take this journey forward. And remember, there are 2 ways I can help you achieve more. Click on the link in the caption. The first one is to join my live seminar, Train Your Brain to Unlock Your Full Potential. And second is get my book, You Matter. Start your personal growth journey with me today. Now let's jump into 5 life lessons I wish I had known in my 30s. Lessons that took me years of mistakes, heartbreaks, and triumphs to learn. Grab your journal and type ready in the chat if you're excited to dive in. In school, we learned the saying, birds of a feather flock together. Think about it. Have you ever seen an eagle hanging out with crows? Probably not. The people you surround yourself with will either elevate you or drain you. Focus on meaningful connections, not just business cards or social media followers. Seek out mentors, find people who challenge you to grow. Recognize toxic relationships. Know when to distance yourself from people. Add value, be the person who contributes, not just consumes. Regularly audit your circle. Every 3 years, ask who are the 5 people I spend the most time with? Do they inspire me or hold me back? I realized my closest circle was comfortable with mediocrity, while I was hungry for growth. It was painful, but it became my turning point. Have you ever done a network audit? Type yes in the chat if you have, or need to do it if you have not. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of it. One of my mentors said, success and failure both are feedback. I wrote that in bold letters and hung it on my board. It changed my perspective forever. Failure is feedback, not a final verdict. Every setback carries a lesson. Resilience grows through challenges. Perfection is the enemy of progress. I had 2 business partnerships fail back to back. I could have quit, but instead I chose to unlearn and relearn, going back to the drawing board. That's where the magic happens, in how you respond to that failure. Earlier in my life, I used to feel very disappointed and rejected with a failure, but today I celebrate it. So, what is that one lesson you've learned from your past failure? Comment below and share your story with me. Your failure could be someone else's inspiration. You can always make more money, but you cannot make more time. Every yes to something is a no to something else. So choose wisely. Stop saying I'm busy and start saying this is not my priority. Learn to say no to tasks or people that don't align with your goals. Protect your energy with boundaries. Invest in experiences, not just material things. Now, let me give you some time management tips. The first is to do weekly time audit. Track every minute for 1 week to spot time wasters. Second is plan the night before. List your top 5 important tasks and tackle them early. Third is eliminate distractions. Be ruthless with activities that don't add value. Fourth is to live intentionally. Align daily actions with long-term goals. What is your biggest time waster right now? Type in the chat and let's work on eliminating it together. In a rapidly changing world, your ability to adapt and learn is priceless. Curiosity trumps intelligence every time. Curiosity over intelligence. Stay curious about how things work, even if it feels uncomfortable. Embrace challenges and be willing to start from scratch. Invest in skills, not just degrees. The world I graduated as an Ayurveda doctor is vastly different from today's digital landscape. Embrace being a beginner. Don't let your age or ego stop you from learning something new. Read 1 book per month or more if you can. Follow thought leaders and stay updated with trends in your industry. Attend workshops and conferences to network and learn. Practice skill stacking. Combine diverse skills to stand out. So, which skill are you excited to learn next? Let me know in the chat box. Your IQ might get you in the door, but emotional intelligence, your EQ, determines how far you will actually go. So, be more self aware. Understand your triggers and emotional patterns. Put yourself in others' shoes, it breaks the victim mentality. Learn to process your feelings and set healthy boundaries. Develop communication skills. 90% of conflicts arise from poor communication. Stay forward looking and let go of the past. When I learned to manage my emotions and empathize with others, every aspect of my life, from relationships to career, took a quantum leap. Which area of emotional intelligence do you want to improve? Self awareness, empathy, regulation, communication, or adaptability? Let me know in the chat box. So, champions, these are 5 lessons I wish I had known sooner. First, is your network is your net worth. Second, failure is part of success. Third, time is your most precious currency. Fourth, become a lifelong learner. Fifth, emotional intelligence is everything. They might seem simple, but each lesson took years of trial, error, and growth for me to truly understand. Type resonate in the chat if any of these lessons hit home for you. Now, here's your challenge. Share which lesson you are going to focus on first in the comments below. Forward this video to a friend who needs these insights right now. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another deep dive into the limitless potential of your mind and your brain. Because life doesn't happen to you, it happens for you. So let's keep learning. Let's keep growing together, champions.